Welcome to Tallo. In this video, we're going to walk you through one of the most exciting features on Tallo, Job Search. Whether you're looking for a part-time job, an internship, or even a full-time career after graduation, this tool helps you explore real opportunities that align with your goals. Tallo's Job Search feature is designed to be simple, powerful, and tailored to you. At the top of the page, you'll find filters that help narrow down your results so you can find exactly what you're looking for. You can filter by job title, city, state, or zip code, distance radius, work flexibility, experience level, job type. When you select Show More Filters, you can see all of the other filters you can apply, including industry, the date it was posted, job schedule, and others. These filters help you quickly sort through thousands of job listings to find roles that match your interests, schedule, and experience level. As you scroll through the job listings, you'll see high-level information right on each job tile. Things like the job title, the company, the location, and the date posted. When something catches your eye, simply click on the tile to view the full job description. You'll be able to read details about the responsibilities, qualification, requirements, and how to apply. If you're not quite ready to apply, you can save the job and come back to it later. Or if you're ready to go for it, just click Apply Off-Site. Tallo will take you straight to the employer's application page so you can submit your application directly. Tallo's Job Search feature makes it easy to explore what's out there, discover what's possible, and take action towards your future, whether that's your first job or your dream career. So dive in, explore your options, and don't forget, you've got this. Good luck and enjoy your journey on Tallo.